news website, thedailybugle.net.
There you have it, folks. Conclusive proof that Spider-Man was responsible for the brutal murder of Mysterio, an interdimensional warrior who gave his life to protect our planet and who will no doubt go down in history as the greatest superhero of all time. But that's not all, folks. Here's the real blockbuster. Brace yourselves, you might want to sit down.
Spider-Man's real name is... Spider-Man's name is Peter Parker.
What the...
That's right, folks. Peter Parker, a 17-year-old high school delinquent harboring a homicidal hunter.
Are you Spider-Man's girlfriend?
Is in fact,
Are you Spider-Man's girlfriend?
villain Spider-Man.
Whoa, please don't touch her. She's just a kid.
You murdered Mysterio? Helped him murder Mysterio?
No, I didn't.
Come on,
What? I'm so sorry. Are you okay?
No, not really. Where'd she go?